Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. We are after summer holidays, so probably soon market will start to move again. Of course, during holidays, during summer holidays, we know that we have less volatility. Market is slow. We don't have clean move, clean directions. Sometimes price is moving in the ranges, but we are right now. We started already September, so I hope this week, maybe another week, I hope to get more action, more moves. So we will see. Of course, GBP pairs are moving because, of course, Brexit. So this is really fundamental pair right now. But I prepare some of them because of this volatility. We have some opportunities to jump in. Right now, I still don't see much on the market. But like I told you, I expect maybe to see something more this week or possible next week. So first, let's start from the Aussie CAD. If we look for the weekly chart, we had this down move. Price didn't retrace at all. If we zoom out a little bit, we will see that we are around the support level, or price touched the support level here. We see this area. Of course, this area was really nice, but price broke it. We were expecting maybe to see some retracement, but price broke it and went down to another support level. Right now we can also leave this resistance level. We see that pressure is for sells because what price is doing still is making lower lows, lower highs. If we try to draw trend line close to the price action, we'll see that our trend line is somewhere around this area. So after reaching support level, maybe we'll get bigger retracement to the resistance or to our 36 zone and trend line zone. So let's check on the lower time frames what we have. And on the lower time frames, we have this range right now. We are on the 36 EMA. We can just adjust a little bit our line here. And what opportunities we have? We also have trend line here, and price is right now struggling on 36 trend line. And if we see, we have small resistance level here, which gives us this range. So what we can do in this area? Definitely we are around the profit zone, so the zone where we can start to look for possible trades. In this case, we wait for possible long entries after breakout of this area. Then we have our next resistance level, plus of course levels from the weekly chart, or we look for sell opportunities here to still trade with this main direction. Of course, we know that this is late scenario, and try to target maybe this support level, because if this is range, we might expect, okay, price will continue to move in this area. Of course, price still can go lower, so of course after breakout we will be in. So how we can jump in those two scenarios? On the 4-hour chart, what we can do, we can just simply wait for possible breakout here, and if we see new higher high, higher low, then of course we can look for a long scenario, so we know where is our target. We have trend line, which is not so nice in this case. We can just leave it like this, but we still only have two touches, so that's why we don't know how to draw it correctly. So this is one approach. So we wait for the 1 2 3s here, or like I said, we can look for sells. Of course, we don't have much room here. It's like 100 pips only. So what we can do, we can focus on the aggressive short scenarios here. What we can do, we can try to draw trend line on the 1-hour chart. Yes, so our trend line looks like this. So after breakout, we can look for sell scenarios here, 1-hour chart, 1 2 3s. If we get lower low, lower high, then we can look for sells and target this support level. Of course, in case of the breakout of this support on the weekly chart, another one is much lower. So let's see where is another support level for this pair. Is somewhere around this area here. Yes, so of course we know that this is always zone, not the line, but it's always area. So if we see, we still have chance about 200 pip move. So this is how I see this pair. Looks nice because of the area where we are right now. So we have plan to look for longs and short entries. Aussie Swiss franc, another pair. What we see, price is retracing right now. Yes, so we had this move and price stopped, and right now of course price is going up. Let's see where we have our support level, and what we see, price reacted exactly on the previous spike, and we had those double bottom probably on the daily chart, and now price is reacting and we have this retracement, exactly same retracement we would like to see of course on the Aussie CAD pair, but we don't have confirmation yet. Price is going up. The next resistance level, we are already on the resistance or close to the resistance zone, but for me the next good level will be somewhere around this area, because it will be combination with the 36 EMA. If we check trend line, this is our line, so of course price might easily go back to this area. Of course then we will see what price decide to do, maybe breakout, maybe bounce, and continuation of this down move. So right now we are going up. What we see, yes, we see this double bottom here and price range, and right now is gaining some volatility. If we look for the daily chart, price is breaking our trend line, is breaking the 36 CMA. What we can do, we can look for long entries here right now to target this resistance, and then of course higher time frames opportunities. What we need to see is some retracement 1 2 3s, and then of course if we have this, we have support level here, which is our trend line. We would like to see 1 2 3, and then we look for long entries. Of course you can combine this 4-hour chart 1 2 3 with lower time frame opportunities where price decide to reach this this zone. So this is for now. We will see. If of course price decide to go down, then of course we can still look for possible short scenarios and target this support level. But right now it looks like it still would like to go up, double bottom or even triple bottom here, and continuation for bigger retracement. First GBP pair, which is GBPCAD. What we have on the weekly chart, price reach a really nice support level. We see this, yes, I hope you see this 1 2 3. So this is really good area. We still have this spike here. Maybe price decide to retest this again, we don't know yet, but we still have this spike. Anyway, we are around the support level right now. Price moved really strong. It was 2000 pip move without bigger retracement. So what we would like to expect, some retracement. If we check, next resistance level on the weekly chart is somewhere around this area, so this gives us nice target for possible retracement. And of course what we will see then, if price would like to continue to go down, we will see the short weekly 1 2 3 and continuation. Yes, of course in case of the breakout we will look for next targets, but right now it's too early to say about the breakout of this zone. First we need to see that price is trying to go to this level. So what we have on the lower time frames, range. Right now price is in the range. Yes, if we check, we have this small range here. We have of course this this is our range. So again we can look for breakout of this level, and then look for long entries, target the resistance, or again bounces. But the thing is that we don't have clean bounces between support and resistance level. Yes, we see, okay, price went down, we have false breakouts, and price retrace, went down, but you see price didn't struggling here. So I would still focus mainly on the longs here. Then if price decide to go down, wait for this level again, or for this level again, to look for possible long bounce scenarios. I'm not interested right now in the short scenarios on this pair. So what we would like to see is of course breakout, yes, of this level, and then we can look for long scenarios, target of course higher time frame levels. We still have to the resistance, we have like 70 pips, and what we already see on the 4-hour chart is a 4-hour 1 2 3. Yes, it's a 4-hour 1 2 3. So scalpers can probably look for lower time frame entries right now. Yes, we have volatility, price is going up, perfect. What we need to see, we need to see some retracement on the right now 15 minute, yes, but what you can do, you can wait for the 15-minute retracement and then even lower time frame entries. This still might be really nice target after retracement. Yes, if price retrace, we still might catch like 100 pip to the resistance level. So this might be also really nice trade. Right now we have volatility, so why not? Of course, remember this is GBP pair, which is really fundamental right now. So definitely lower your risk, but this is opportunity for upcoming day, maybe tomorrow. Of course, if we see that price is going down again, like I said, we will wait. Yes, we will wait to see next movement. GPN, another GBP pair. We have support level on the weekly chart. Yes, really good one. Yes, also here we have this spike where price still might to go down, but again on this pair we had strong move. Yes, like again 2000 pip move without any bigger retracement, and right now we see that price is reacting very fast, and so let's try to find the next resistance level, and if we check somewhere around this area, we might have resistance zone. So of course this is our 36 EMA, maybe later on. So this is our target in case of the retracement. So if we go to daily chart, what we will see here, if we look for the trend line, price broke this trend line. Yes, it's breaking the 36 EMA. It looks like we have some volatility, so definitely we can look for long scenarios on this pair to target this area here. So if we go to the 4-hour chart, right now we had this steep scenario. Yes, if someone would like to jump in, entry here, stop loss below, this will be quite a big stop loss, like 160 pips, but our target is still good enough. Yes, 400 pips, 403, even maybe 500. So target is good enough to try. So this is our first option to jump in. You could also mix this with lower time frames. If you are not in, if this is too late for you, what you can do, you can just wait for another opportunity, for example on 1-hour chart, and then you can look for the 1-hour 1 to 3s. Of course, maybe with this trend line, something like that. Difficult to say right now, but this is also option. Yes, or because like on the previous pair GBPCAD, we have the 4-hour chart 1 to 3. What we can do, we can go to the 15-minute time frame. We wait for retracement, and we look for entries. Yes, we look for entries on the GPN 15-minute entry, stop loss, and of course we know that our target is good enough to trade this pair. And the last is GBPUSD cable. Again, we are on the powerful support level, so that's why maybe those pairs are reacting right now. We have next resistance here. Yes, so again, like previous pair, we might expect maybe this bigger retracement to this area, and then we will see what will happen next. Daily chart, also like previous pair, we have trendline breakout. Yes, it's exactly the same. We have 36 EMA breakout. So if you like a target a little bit smaller but still good enough, we see in this case that price reacted on the 36 EMA. In this case, stop loss would be a little bit smaller, like 100 pips, target 200. So we also have this 1 to 3. So it's exactly the same pair. So if you see something like this, that you have exactly same price actions, you can choose between two pairs. Don't jump in two, because if we check this, of course on the 15-minute chart, we'll see that exactly same scenario we have here. So it means that if you have like three pairs, GBPCAD, GBPN, and GBPUSD, they are reacting exactly the same. It means that that pound is moving. So you don't want to jump in on three pairs. Yes, if you like, okay, because they are still connected with different with other currencies, but right now only GBP is moving. It means that if GBP will go down and you will take three positions on each pair, you will have three losing trades. Yes, so it's not good, it's not wise. So what I would recommend is to focus only on the one pair, which gives you the first signal to jump in, or split the risk between two. So if your normal risk in this case is 0.5%, for example, or to better calculation 1%, yes, if you enter here with 1%, take GBP dollar with 0.5% and take, for example, GBP yen with 0.5%. So you will have your classic risk, but in case of reaction of dollar, if this will go down and GBPN will still continue to go up, you will have one losing trade and one winning trade. So it will be much better scenario. So please remember about that. If you check probably other GP pairs, you will see also some moves, but those GP pairs looks for me much better. Yes, and for example, for the GBPCAD, I would wait first for breakout and then look for longs. Yes, and to trade on the lower time frames, I would focus on the GBP and GBP US dollar. Right. So this is all for now. I know that it's not much, but I need to see some moves on the market. Maybe if I see something interesting during the week, I will post some update. But it's better to approach market slowly than jumping in immediately. Let's wait for market to calm down after the holidays to create some good opportunities scenarios. Traders are coming back so slowly after the holiday break, so it's better to wait, guys. Patience is of course key in trading. So let's wait. Of course, if I see something, I will definitely update you. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and talk to you soon. Bye.